We begin by looking at the expression where 10 plus 3 gives 13, and then 2 multiplied by 13 gives 26. At first glance, it may seem like 26 divided by 26 equals 1, but this answer is actually incorrect. The mistake comes from not following the correct order of operations, known as PEMDAS. PEMDAS stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, and division, and addition and subtraction. It tells us the correct order to solve any mathematical expression, so we don't get the wrong answer. First, we solve anything inside parentheses. For example, in 10 plus 3, we must calculate that first to get 13. Next would be exponents if there were any, such as 2 raised to the power of 3, which equals 8. After that, we move to multiplication and division, solving them from left to right. For instance, in 26 divided by 2 multiplied by 13, we start from the left. 26 divided by 2 equals 13, then 13 multiplied by 13 equals 169. Finally, we handle addition and subtraction from left to right, like 8 minus 3 plus 2, which becomes 5 plus 2, giving 7. Now, returning to the expression, we start with the parentheses, where 10 plus 3 equals 13. The expression now becomes 26 divided by 2 multiplied by 13. Since multiplication and division have equal priority according to PEMDAS, we solve them from left to right. First, 26 divided by 2 gives 13. Then we multiply 13 by 13, which results in 169. Therefore, the correct final answer is 169.